Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a part invisible in Roblox Studio. So firstly open up Roblox Studios, then head to My Games. Then open up the game you want to make an invisible part into. So I'll head into my test game and let it load out. So after the game loads, in order to make a part invisible, first let's import a part. So by going into the insert section and dragging down the parts menu, we can insert any part into our game. Let's import a cylinder. So here you can see that we have imported a cylinder into our game. Now in order to make this block or part invisible, we'll need to head to the properties section. Then under appearance, we'll have to go to the transparency section. Normally it will be at 0, but if we turn it to the max, which is 1, the part will become invisible and no one in the game will be able to see it, but they'll be still blocked by it. So this is how you can make any part invisible in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.